Reliance Industries Limited is an Indian multinational conglomerate company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Mukesh Ambani is the owner, chairman and managing director of Reliance with around 45% shares. Shareholder value 31.9%. The number of shares of Reliance are approximately 3.1 billion. India's largest private sector taxpayer in 2019. Revenue of Reliance is 6,22,809 crore, $87 billion in 2019. Total assets is 10,02,406 crore, $140 billion in 2019. The company is ranked 106th on the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's biggest corporations as of 2019. It is ranked 8th among the top 250 global energy companies by Platts as of 2016. Reliance continues to be India's largest exporter, accounting for 8% of India's total merchandise exports with a value of 147,755 rupees crore and access to markets in 108 countries. Reliance is responsible for almost 5% of the Government of India's total revenues from customs and excise duty. It has become the first ever Indian company to cross 10 lakh rupees crore market capitalization. The Reliance Group is one of the biggest private sector employers in India. 158 subsidiaries companies and 7 associates companies connected with Reliance Industries Limited. The Reliance story. Dhirubai Ambani returns to India in 1957 after a stint with Veiwers and Company, Aden, Yemen. He starts a yarn trading business from a small 500 square feet office in Masjid Bundair, Mumbai, but dreams of establishing India's largest company. On the 8th of May 1973, it became Reliance Industries Limited. In 1977, Reliance Textile Industries' initial public offering, IPO, creates history by introducing the equity cult in India. The issue is oversubscribed 7 times, strengthening Reliance's growth ambitions. Reliance sets up a mill in Naroda, Gujarat, sparking off Reliance's backward integration journey. Mukesh Ambani leads the establishment of Reliance's first mega manufacturing project at Patalganga in a record 18 months. In 1985, the name of the company was changed from Reliance Textiles Industries Limited to Reliance Industries Limited. Since its inception, the company was managed by its founder and chairman Dhirubai Ambani. After suffering a stroke in 1986, he handed over the daily operations of the company to his sons Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani. Reliance's backward integration journey continues. The Hazira plant coming on stream in 1991 laid the foundation for Reliance becoming the world's largest integrated producer of polyester. In 1996, the company entered the telecom industry through a joint venture with 9X, USA and promoted Reliance Telecom Private Limited in India. In 1999, Reliance introduced packaged LPG in 15 kg cylinders under the brand name Reliance Gas. In 2000, Reliance commissions the world's largest grassroots refinery in a record 36 months, the Jamnagar Petrochemicals and Integrated Refinery Complex. With the development of the associated Green Belt, the desert surrounding Jamnagar becomes home to another man-made wonder, Asia's largest mango orchard. In 2002, Reliance enters the Infocom business and brings about a revolution in mobile telephony in India. In 2005, Reliance makes a strategic decision to reorganize its businesses through a demerger. Power generation and distribution, financial services and telecommunication services are demerged into separate entities. Reliance Foundation was set up in 2010 as an expression of its vision towards sustainable growth in India. Reliance Foundation has cumulatively touched the lives of 15 million people in over 13,500 villages and various urban locations. In July 2012, Ril informed that it was going to invest $1 billion over the next few years in its new aerospace division, which will design, develop, manufacture equipment and components, including aircraft, engine, radars, avionics and accessories for military and civilian aircraft, helicopters, unmanned airborne vehicles and aerostats. Reliance Retail becomes the largest retailer by revenue in 2014, fulfilling the aspirations of millions across the country and bringing international experiences at affordable prices to every corner of India. 2014, ONC moved to Delhi High Court accusing Ril of pilferage of 18 billion cubic meters of gas from its gas-producing block in the Krishna-Godavari basin. Reliance Jio Infocom Limited uses in a pan-India digital revolution through state-of-the-art wireless broadband 4G services, promising to bridge the digital divide. In 2019, Reliance becomes the first Indian company to cross 10 trillion market capitalization. Chairman and Managing Director Mr. Mukesh Ambani says, in just 4 decades, Reliance has grown from a small start-up to one of the largest, most admired companies in the world. Thank you for watching and subscribe.